Okay, everyone, so our science block is over. Now it's English block. Okay, first of all, I want you guys to give me a quick review what we have done in our last class about a simple tenses. Who is going to give me a quick review about it? Who wants to give me that quick review? Jafar, you want to give me? Yes, Jafar.
Present simple tense.
Yes, I know. We have studied present simple tense. Okay, first of all, tell me what are tenses? What do they do? Who will tell me what are tenses and what do they do? Anaya, do you want to tell me? Anaya? I am going to give you a recap of our last classes, that what we had studied in those classes. Tomorrow onwards, I am assigning this to from to two of you students who will start the class. Okay? Inaya and Daniel. Both of you will give me the review of today's class in tomorrow's class. Understand? When we will start our tomorrow's class, I will unmute both of you, and both of you will give me a quick review of our today's class. Are you getting me? So kindly try to listen each and everything very carefully. Understand? Okay. एंड दिस एक्टिविटी विल गो ऑन. ठीक है, हम हर क्लास में यही करेंगे कि लास्ट क्लास में आई विल असाइन दिस टू द टू स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ फ्रॉम यू. मैं किसी भी दो स्टूडेंट्स को असाइन कर दिया करूंगी कि हु विल गिव द क्विक रिव्यू ऑफ टुडेज क्लास एंड टुमारोज क्लास, एंड व्हेन वी विल स्टार्ट आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास, so that two students will give the quick review, then we will move forward. Understand? Understand? So for tomorrow's class, I am assigning this duty to Inaya and Danyal. Okay? Okay. मैं आपको एक क्विक रिव्यू दे रही हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट आर टेंसेस? टेंसेस आर बेसिकली, देखें, टेंसेस बेसिकली क्या होते हैं? टेंसेस हमें बताते हैं कि कौन सी चीज कब कब हैपन हुई है. ठीक है, व्हेन द थिंग इज एक्चुअली हैपन, लाइक वो पास्ट में हैपन हुई, या वो प्रेजेंट में हुई, या वो फ्यूचर में होने वाली है. ये जो हमें बताती है चीज, वो कौन बताता है? टेंसेस बताते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई विल से आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल, द वर्ड एम इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग that it is a present tense, that it is a present tense. अगर मैं बोलती I was going to school, the word was representing the past tense. The word was representing the past tense. And if I will say like this, that I will go to school, the word will represent the future tense. The word will represent the future tense. So basically, the tenses represent when the thing is done, or मतलब वो आपको बेसिकली टाइम इंडिकेट कर रहे होते हैं कि whether the thing is done in past or in future or in, you know, in present. ठीक है, so basically this is the duty of tenses. Okay, let's move forward. Like we have already discussed that if we are going to make anything, we should know the recipe of that thing, right? We took the example of cake, and we discussed that cake have several types. Same goes with the tenses. Tenses also have several types. The three basic form of tenses are past, present, and future. Okay? And the most basic tense are simple tenses. The most basic tenses are simple tenses, like past simple, present simple, and future simple. Which tense we discussed in our last classes is present simple. We discussed present simple in our last classes. Now, let's come to present simple. What is present simple tense? Let me show you. One thing. Okay. I'm sharing a screen. Can you all hear this? Can you all hear this? I stopped the video. Before that, can you hear that video? No? Okay, leave it. I'm gonna explain you. So we are going to meet a simple family here. Okay? We are going to meet a simple family here. Present simple and past simple. But we are going to discuss only present simple today. But before that, what simple family tell us? Simple family discuss about world facts, personal facts, habit, routine, senses, and mental actions. For example, I play a lot. Or we can say this like I played a lot in past tense. So this sentence comes in a personal fact. This sentence comes in a personal fact. See, simple family always tell about these four facts. Kindly write it down in any of your notebook. This is a very important thing. Simple family tells about a four facts. Number one is a world fact, which are natural, like sun rises in the morning. Okay? It's a world fact. Personal fact will be like, I play a lot. It belongs to you, so that's why it will it will call a personal fact. The number 3 is habit or routine, something which is habitual, which you do on daily basis, like you go to school daily, you drink water daily, you woke up in the morning daily. This will come in a habit. This will come in a habit. Number 4 is senses and mental action. The number 4, Inaya, you want to write something on the screen? Because it is already asking me that Inaya is requesting to do something on the screen. Anyways, the number 4 is senses and mental actions. Okay, senses and mental actions includes like I smell food, or he smells it, or you can say I feel good today, he feels